Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a drop test on this Sky Devices phone and an LG flip phone. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so the flip phone, waist height on the side, 3, 2, 1. Nothing yet. The Sky phone on the side, 3, 2, 1. A little bit of scuff right there, but besides it's good. Alright, so LG flip phone on the back, 3, 2, 1. Some scuffing on the back. Sky phone on the back, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Nothing yet. Alright, LG flip phone on the face, 3, 2, 1. Nothing, but there is some scuffing around the borders. Ooh, there's a nasty one right there. Alright, let's see if we can make the cracking on the face a little bit worse. Alright. Face down, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I got a little bit worse on the edges right there. So it definitely did crack. Alright, head height on the side, 3, 2, 1. Scuffing did get a little bit worse, but not too much worse. Alright, Sky phone on the side, head height, 3, 2, 1. Got some nasty denting right there. This is starting to pop out a little bit. Cracking did not get worse. Flip phone on the back, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, some scuffing right there, some bad scuffing right here, and some scratches all around. Camera is still fine though. Sky phone on the back, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. LG flip phone face down, 3, 2, 1. Some more denting around the screen. Some nasty denting right there. Besides that, it's pretty much the same. Alright, Sky phone, head height, face down, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can make that cracking worse. Ooh, got a lot worse. There's some chunks missing at the bottom, spider webbing all over, and yeah. Alright, on to 7 feet. 7 feet on the side, 3, 2, 1. Looks about the same. Alright, Sky phone, 7 feet on the side, 3, 2, 1. Okay, separated into a bunch of pieces. Looks about the same though. Alright, LG phone, 7 feet, back, 3, 2, 1. Looks about the same. Alright, 7 feet on the back, Sky phone, 3, 2, 1. Looks about the same. Oh, actually, there's some chunks missing from the front. So I guess the force from the shock caused some glass to fall off. Alright, LG phone, face down, 3, 2, 1. Looks about the same. Alright, last one. Sky phone, 7 feet, face down, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yeah, that's a lot worse. Chunks missing and everything. So yeah. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.